Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, class 4 English version. How are you? I hope you are well. Welcome to my online class. Now I will start my class. Chapter 5, 5.3 exercise, 5.3 exercise. Question number 3 to 7. Solution to the page number 65 of the test book. Question 3. Read the question. Express the situation to single mathematical sentence and solve it. 1. Read the question. At first, read the question. Price of 5 pencils is taka 60. Price of 5 pencils is taka 60. How much are the 9 pencils? Again, price of 5 pencils is taka 60. How much are the 9 pencils? At first, price of 1 pencil taka. At first, price of 1 pencil taka. So mathematical sentence. Mathematical sentence. At first, price of 5 pencil is taka 60. So 1 pencil taka. Then multiply by the quotient. 6 divided 5. 1 pencil taka. Multiply 9 pencil. Multiply 9. So 60 divided 5 and get 12. Multiply 9 taka. Multiply 9 and get 108 taka. And answer taka. Question number 2. Divisor is 3 times the remainder and the quotient is 4 times the divisor. Remainder is 2. What is the dividend? What is the dividend? Here, divisor is 3 times the remainder. So, divisor is 3 times of remainder. Remainder multiply 3 because divisor is 3 times the remainder. And the quotient is 4 times the divisor. So quotient divisor multiply 4 times. So 4 multiply 4. And remainder is 2. So remainder equal to C. Remainder 2. So remainder 2 multiply 3 equal 2 multiply 3 6. divisor 6, 6 multiply 4, 4 equal 6 multiply 4, 24. What is dividend? So dividend is how? We know dividend equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. So divisor 6, quotient 24, remainder 2. Dividend how? So we know dividend equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor 6 multiply quotient 24 plus remainder 2. 6 multiply 24 and get 144 plus 2 equal 146. So answer 146. Again read the question. Divisor is 3 times the remainder and the quotient is 4 times the divisor. Remainder is 2. What is the dividend? Here divisor 3 times the remainder, so divisor equal remainder multiply 3. Quotient is 4 times the divisor, so quotient is divisor multiply 4. So remainder 2. So 2, remainder 2, 2 multiply 3, 6. Quotient divisor 6, 6 multiply 4, 4 and get 24. Dividend. We know dividend equal divisor multiply quotient plus remainder, and answer 146. Question number 3. Read the question. Monthly salary of Miss Shampa is taka 7,500. She spends taka 7,250 for every month. How much money does she save in a year? So mathematical sentence. Monthly salary is taka 7,500. She spends taka 7,250 for every month. So the money is saved in 1 month. Subtract 7,250 from 7,500. So mathematical sentence, at first 7,500 minus 7,250 multiply the money he saved is 1 month. How much money does he save in a year? We know 1 year equal 12 months. 12 month. Do the subtraction and get multiply 12 টাকা. So 250 multiply 12 and get 3000 টাকা. So answer 3000 টাকা. Question 4. Read the question. Rupa and Moni have taka 875 together. Moni has taka 125 more than of Rupa. How much money do they separately? Again, Rupa and Moni have taka 875 together. Moni has taka 125 more than of Rupa. How much money do they separately? So solution: Rupa and Moni have together have 875 taka. Rupa and Moni together have 875 taka. Moni has 125 taka more than of Rupa. So therefore Rupa has firstly total taka 875. Moni has 125 taka more than of Rupa. So 875 minus 125 total taka together. So divided 2. Zero 5 7 divided by 2 taka. 750 divided 2 and get 375 taka. Rupa has 375 taka. Therefore Moni has 125 taka more than of Rupa. So Moni has 375 plus 125 equal 5 plus 5 0 4 5 taka. So answer Moni has 500 taka and Rupa has 375 taka. That is answer. Question number 5. Sum of the age of father and son is 55 years. Father's age is 4 times the son's. How old are they individually? So, age of son equal 1 times of son's age. Father, age of father, age of father, father equal 4 times of son's age. So adding sum of father and son's age equal 4 plus 1 equal 5 times son's age. Therefore, son's current is sum of the age of father and son is 55 years. Sum of father and sons is equal 5 times sons age. So 55 divided 5 year. So 11 years. Therefore, father current is equal, father age is 4 times, so son's current is 11. Therefore, father current is 11 multiply 4 years and get 44 years. That is answer. Question number 7. 1. Make your own story for mathematical sentence below and solve them. $200 minus first bracket start 10 multiply 8 first bracket close. Make your own story for mathematical sentence below and solve them. So Mr. Anis went to market with 200 total 200 টাকা 200 টাকা he bought 8 packets biscuits per packet biscuits price is 10 টাকা 10 টাকা how many does he have left so he has left mathematical sentence 200 minus 10 multiply 8 and get টাকা 200 minus 80 120 টাকা so answer 120 টাকা